Life after Matric could prove to be rather daunting. While others have been accepted into various institutions of higher learning, others are considering a gap year. However, some may not even be able to attend university of their choice. That's where institutions like iFundi comes along. They help students gain the necessary skills, guided by workplace mentors, and equips them with work-integrated learning. But let's find out more about iFundi from their co-founder, Fariba Bowen, who joins us in studio. Fariba, thank you so much for your time. We've seen about 24 to 48 hours of great celebrations from our matriculants who rightly so get to celebrate after many, many years of hard work. But those of you who work in an organization such as yours, you know that there's a dark cloud awaiting them, those especially who are going to study for a few years, when they realize it's not so rosy on the other side, even with a piece of paper in their hands. And you're pointing there to over 33% of our graduates being unemployed. Explain to us what you do at iFundi.
That's right. Thank you, Marcel. iFundi has been in skills development for over 20 years, and our approach to skills development is one which draws on work-integrated learning. So we combine not only classroom theory training, but we bring our learners into the workplace in the course of their study so that they are gaining the necessary skills that can make them employable at the end of the program. So this is the work-integrated learning approach. It combines the theory in a classroom as well as employment during the course of study. And we find that that is a solution to some of the problems that have been addressed in your program tonight of capacity in institutes of higher learning and further education, is that there simply isn't enough place for